Hey out there, Glenn.
Really gusty, and it's going to stay that way for a while, actually. We're going to see winds pretty consistent as we head through the weekend into next week. We got clouds around, but not much rain in the forecast, at least not for today and tomorrow. The winds will persist through at least midweek next week, and there is no threat in the tropics right now to the U.S. There are some threats, however, though. Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and Central America and the Yucatan Peninsula, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Here's a quick look at what's happening. We've got dry air to our north, so if you were to drive up to Orlando today or Gainesville or Jacksonville, you're going to see a lot more sunshine than if you travel down through our area where some moisture is edging its way up over top of yesterday's cold front, which is still down here now, a stationary front. So we're seeing some moisture move up that way, and also some moisture moving in from the Atlantic that's helping to create some mostly cloudy to even overcast conditions in our area. But we don't have any rain on the radar right now. We could see one or two little showers, though, whipping on in throughout the day today because those gusty winds will help carry them in. There's a lot of rain down to our south right now. So here's the futurecast, next 36 hours or so. If you watch carefully, you'll see a couple of showers here and there. Here's 8 p.m. tonight, and we could see a few showers moving on shore. That continues into the evening hours. Again, tomorrow, we could see one or two showers in the morning and a few showers in the afternoon, all of them moving from northeast to southwest. On Sunday, we do have higher chances for rain as more moisture starts to work in. Here's a quick look at our temperatures. Got 77 degrees in Sebastian, 75 Indian River Shores, 78 Blue Cypress Lake right now, and about 77 in Florida Ridge. Down south, we have 76 degrees along Hypoluxo, Delray, 77, 78 in Wellington, and about 77 degrees in West Palm. It does feel a degree or so cooler than the actual temperatures because of the winds. As we get into the weekend, we'll see these temperatures go up a little bit. Low 80s on Saturday, mid 80s Sunday, Monday, and on Tuesday as well. So our temperatures will return to average. Our average high this time of year is 85 degrees. So a couple things to look at when we look at the tropics right now. We have an area of low pressure over here, 95L. That's going to develop a little bit more likely, about a 50% chance for development, but it's headed right for the Yucatan Peninsula, and that's where it will die out. Very dangerous rainfall, mudslide conditions here in Central America and over to the Yucatan. So it is dangerous even if it doesn't develop. It's a big rainmaker. And then over here, 94L continuing to make its way over toward Hispaniola, north of Puerto Rico. Computer models have it sinking down into the Caribbean here and dying out. There's one or two models that take it up to the east of the United States, but there are no models that bring it to Florida or anywhere else in the U.S. The chance for development for that low pressure is only 10%, so we're not expecting much out of that. We'll keep our eyes on it for you. Small craft advisory for boaters today and a high risk for rip currents along area beaches. We've got gusty winds today, coastal shower possible, temperatures upper 70s and low 80s, and then windy coast tonight, cooler inland than along the coast, temperatures mostly in the 70s tomorrow, a windy gusty day with a mix of sun and clouds and highs in the low 80s. Your weekend planner, 20% chance for rain tomorrow, 30% on Sunday as a little more moisture comes back in. We'll keep that 30% on Monday as well, and then drop it back down to 20% for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures remain about average from Sunday all the way through next week. Rain chances do look like they'll go up a little bit Thursday and Friday of next week. That's a look at your forecast.